Hi, good morning. My name is Bhavin Shah. I'm the co-chair of YI Hyderabad chapter. YI is the Young Indian organization which is part of CII. We are primarily concerned with the youth related activities and the youth initiatives. And I also have with me Mr. Viren Shah, who is the chair of Hyderabad chapter also. And then Mr. Vivek, who is one of the active members, and he's the key person organizing this event today. And he's also the chair for the youth affairs, which is an important vertical within YI, Young Indians. So the purpose of this workshop today is to create awareness about the Hussain Sagar lake and the activities around it in terms of the cleanup and also the awareness of the cleanup activities. So we have taken up this initiative this year in partnership with HMDA, where we will be talking about these cleanup activities to the schools and students, and also conducting some workshops, creative workshops such as the painting competitions, and also arranging some site visits so that the student and the youth, they know firsthand what are the issues related to the Hussain Sagar Lake, which is one of the most important lakes for the city of Hyderabad. Unfortunately, there is a lot of pollution and a lot of contamination that has happened. So there is a lot of effort underway by HMDA and other stakeholders. So we are just supporting them and playing our role in creating the awareness so that more people come to know about the issue and also help reduce the pollution that is going inside the lake and maybe be part of the solution for the city overall. So there is HMDA is working with different stakeholders from academia to government to industry, even the foreign companies, and in reducing the pollution and doing the cleanup. So like they have a tie-up with some companies to for the waste treatment plant, as well as they are working with some community leaders to stop the inflow of the pollution coming into the lake itself. And then they also have some plans around building some greenery and other cleaner initiatives around the lake. Yeah, they're looking at creating initiatives where community or the group of community members can take an ownership of of cleaning the lake, or take the ownership of ensuring the supervision of the cleanup effort. This is the beginning of this awareness activity, as I was telling earlier, that we want to create the awareness among the children about these important lake area as well as the cleanup effort. So these children, they are all given a topic around the lake and the cleanup and their vision of what the cleaned up lake would look like, and what are the things that they imagine in their mind. These paintings will be all reviewed by the HMDA, and also these students will get a certificate signed by CII, YI as well as HMDA. And then this is a second workshop we are conducting, and we'll be conducting more workshops with different youth organizations moving forward. And then we also plan to conduct some site visits, so where people actually come to the lake and then they hear about the different activities and they see it firsthand, so it creates more lasting awareness. Yeah, so the main concept is for them to understand the importance of the Hussain Sagar lake, for them to understand that the lake is not clean, it needs to be cleaned up, and to understand the efforts that are going on in cleaning the lake, and then also for them to be engaged as part of the solution. So that is the main theme. It is the first step we are taking towards just initial awareness through the painting competition, but there will be a lot more engagement will have to happen for them to really become part of the solution. Yeah, so what Mr. Viren is saying, that this event is the first step. It is creating the awareness. So as I said, the HMDA has a lot of stakeholders they are working with. One of these stakeholders is YI, which is Young Indians, and our role in the partnership is to create the awareness, and we would be creating the awareness and helping these people understand what is the cleanup effort, and what is the level of pollution and all that. And we will, through the site visit, they will be able to interact firsthand with all the stakeholders who are involved in the cleanup effort, including the HMDA and some of the HMDA partners. So like I said, so first this is a workshop just on the painting side. When the HMDA looks at these paintings, then they will provide their feedback to the students. They will provide the certificate, The next level would be these students will be able to go to the site and then see the cleanup effort and then ask questions to the stakeholders, and that's how there will be a dialogue and there will be more awareness and more community will get involved in it. So our role is primarily to raise the awareness, and that too among the young members of the society, and then we take that, we create that bridge for these young members with the HMDA, and then HMDA then interacts with the rest of the stakeholders who are taking on other aspect of the overall project.